Hi students, now we will learn multiplication of money by a whole number. Listen student, we will learn about multiplication of money by a whole number. So see example, multiply 14 rupees 25 paise by 7. 7 is a whole number. So here we have to multiply 14 rupees 25 paise by 7. So look here I arrange rupees and paise in column by separating it by putting the dot. Now we will multiply 14 rupees 25 paise by 7. First we multiply 5 by 7. 7 5s are 35. So 5 right here and 3 10. Now multiply 2 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. So 7 right here 1 can. Now multiply 4 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 29. So 9 right here 2 carry. Now multiply 1 by 7. 7 1s are 7 plus 2. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 9. Now put the dot from the right two places. We will put here. So here we multiply 14 rupees 25 paise by 7. We get here answer 99 rupees 75 paise. Look here student, how we multiply a money by a whole number. The multiplication of money is same as multiplication of number, only we have to put the dot from the right of two places. Okay. Students, now we will solve exercise 5, which is based on multiplication of money by a whole number. So see first example. Multiply 12 rupees 60 paise by 5. Okay. See here, multiply 12 rupees 60 paise by 5. So look here, we multiply this. First we multiply 0 by 5. So you have learned when you multiply 0 by any number, we get product 0. So here product will be 0. Then you multiply 6 by 5. 6 5s are 30. So write here 0 and carry over 3. Then multiply 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 carry over 13. 3 carry over 1. Then multiply 5, multiply by 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 carry over 6. And here rupees sign. So I told you have to put the dot from the right two places. So here in this way here we multiply 12 rupees 60 paise by 5. We get here answer 63 rupees. Okay. Next example, multiply 9 rupees 85 paise by 6. Okay, so here I arrange rupees and paise in column by putting dot. We separate rupees and paise column. Now we multiply by 6. First we multiply 5 by 6. 6 5s are 30. So write here 0. 3 carry. Then multiply 8 by 6. 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 3 carry over 51. So 1 right here 5 carry. Now multiply 9 by 6. 9 6s are 54. 54 plus 5 carry over 59. And put dot from the right two places. So here we multiply 9 rupees 85 paise by 6. We get product 59 rupees 10 paise. Okay. Example C. Multiply 145 rupees 50 paise by 4. Okay. So here we will multiply. Okay. Here we arrange rupees and paise in column and then multiply by 4. First we multiply 0 by 4. We get product 0. So you know that when you multiply 0 by any number, we get product 0. So here write 0. Then multiply 5 by 4. 5 4s are 20. So write here 0 and 2 Then multiply 5 by 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 carry over. 22. So right here 2 and 2 carry. Then multiply 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 carry over. 18. Right here 8 and 1 carry. Then multiply 1 by 4. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 carry over. 5. Dot from the right two places. In this way, here we multiply for 145 rupees 50 paise by 4. We get here answer 582 rupees. Okay. Example B. Multiply 280 rupees 75 paise by 9. Okay. So we will multiply. First we multiply 5 by 9. 5 9s are 45. So write here 5 and 4. Carry. Then multiply 7 by 9. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4 carry over. 67. So 7 right here 6 carry. Now multiply 0 by 9. 9 zeros are 0 plus 6 carry over. 6. So 6 right here. Now multiply 8 by 9. 9 8s are 72. So 2 right here and 7. Now multiply 2 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 carry over. 25. And put dot from the right two places. So here. In this way, here we multiply 280 rupees 75 paise by 9. We get here answer 2526 rupees 75 paise. Understood? Example E. Multiply 34 rupees 90 paise by 7. Okay. So here I arrange rupees and paise by putting the dot. Now we multiply 0 by 7. So when we multiply 0 by any number we get product 0. So 0 right. Then multiply 9 by 7. 7 9s are 63. So 3 right here and 6 carry. Now multiply 4 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6. 34. So 4 right here and 3 carry. Now multiply 3 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 carry. 24. Now put dot from the right two places. So here we multiply 34 rupees 90 paise by 7. We get here answer 244 rupees 30 paise. Understood? Next F example 435 rupees 50 paise multiplied by 8. Here we arrange rupees and paise in column by putting the dot. Now we multiply 0 by 8. When we multiply 0 by any number we get product 0. So here write 0. Then we multiply 5 by 8. 8 5s are 40. So right here 0 and 4 carry. Now multiply 5 by 8. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 carry. 44. So right here 4 and 4 carry. Now multiply 3 by 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. So right here 8 and 2 carry. Now multiply 4 by 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 34. Now put the dot from the right two places. So here you put the dot. In this way here we multiply 435 rupees 50 paise by 8. We get here answer 3484 rupees. Example, multiply 55 rupees 45 paise by 3. Okay, so here I arrange rupees and paise in column by putting the dot. Now we multiply 5 by 3. 3 5s are 50. So 5 right here and 1 carry. Now multiply 4 by 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 carry over. 30. So write here 3, 1 carry. Now multiply 5 by 3. 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 carry over 16. So write here 6, 1 carry. Now multiply 5 by 3. 5 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So write here 16. And put the dot from the right two places. Okay. So here put the dot. So here you multiply 55 rupees 45 paise by 3. We get answer 166 rupees 35 paise. Understood? Here we are multiplying money by a whole number. Next, H example. Multiply 979 rupees 40 paise by 4. Okay, here we arrange rupees and paise in column by putting the dot. Now we multiply 0 by 4. When we multiply 0 by any number, we get product 0. So 0, right. Then multiply 4 by 4. 4 4s are 16. So 6 right here and 1 carry. Now multiply 9 by 4. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 carry, 37. So 7 right here 3 carry. Now multiply 7 by 4. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 carry, 31. So 1 right here 3 carry. Now multiply 9 by 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 carry, 39. Now put the dot from the right two places. So here you put the dot. So in this way, here you multiply 979 rupees 40 paise by 4. We get your answer 3970 rupees 60 paise. Okay. Now see word problem. A coffee mug cost 35 rupees 50 paise. Find the cost of 9 such coffee mugs. Okay, so here given cost of one coffee mug. How much it is given? 35 rupees 50 paise. And you have to find out cost of 9 coffee mugs. Okay, so here we multiply 35 rupees 50 paise by 9. So let's see multiplication. Here we arrange rupees and paise separate column by putting the dot. Now we will multiply 35 rupees 50 paise by 9. First, we multiply 0 by 9. So you have learned when you multiply 0 by any number, we get product 0. So we write 0 here. Then we multiply 5 by 9. Multiply 5 by 9. 9 5s are 45. So 5 right here, 4 carry over. Then multiply 5 by 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4 carry over. 49. So 9 right here, 4 carry over. Then multiply 3 by 9. 9 3s are 47. 47. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. Look at student. Here we multiply 35 rupees 50 paise by 9. First multiply 0. 0 multiply by 9. 0 9. We multiply 0 by any number, we get product 0. Then we multiply 5 by 9. 5 9s are 45. So right here 5, 4 carry over. Then we multiply 5 by 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 4 carry over, 49. So 9 right here, 4 carry over. Then we multiply 3 by 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. So 31 right here. And put the dot from the right two places. In this way, here we multiply 35 rupees 50 paise. We get here answer 319 rupees 50 paise. And this is the cost of 9 coffee mugs. How to find? Understood it is by multiplying cost of one coffee mug by 9. We get cost of 9 coffee mug. And how much it is? 390 rupees 50 paise. Okay, problem. I bought 5 ice cream cones. If one ice cream cone costs 19 rupees 50 paise, find the total money paid. Look here student, here given cost of one ice cream cone. How much it is? 19 rupees 50 paise. And you find out cost of 5 ice cream cones. So here we have to multiply 19 rupees 50 paise by 5. Okay, so here we will multiply. So here we arrange rupees and paise column by putting the dot. Okay, now we multiply 0 by 5. So when we multiply 0 by any number, we get product 0. So right here 0. Then multiply 5 by 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 right here 2 carry. Then multiply 9 by 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2 carry. 47. So 7 right here 4 carry. Then multiply 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 4 carry 9. So 9 right. Then put the dot from the right two places here. In this way, here we multiply 19 rupees 50 paise by 5. We get here product 97 rupees 50 paise. And that is the cost of 5 ice cream cone. See how it is there? We multiply cost of 1 ice cream by 5. We get here answer 97 rupees 50 paise. And this is the cost of 5 ice cream cone. In this way we get here cost of 5 ice cream cone rupees 97 rupees 50 paise by multiplying 90 rupees 50 paise by 5. And what is our question? Find the total money paid. So total money paid ₹97.50. Understood? So here we have seen multiplication of money by a whole number. So here we have solved all example from exercise 5.